Hello friends, this is Professor Dattu Patel. Today's lecture we are going to learn about circulation as well as flow integral. If r bar of t is a smooth curve in the domain of a continuous velocity field f bar, then the flow along the curve from a to b is flow equal to integral a to b f bar dr. If the curve is closed, then the flow is called circulation, means integral a to b f bar dr gives a circulation. Let us start with one example to better understanding the concept of circulation. So find the circulation f bar equal to x minus y I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. R of t, that is our position vector, cos t I plus sin t j. Here third coordinate vector, third z direction, vector of z direction, that is absent. Here limit range of t which is 0 to 2 pi. Then first for compare our position vector r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Compare this equation. Then we get x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t and z equal to 0. Now we require derivative of r, then dr, derivative of cos which is minus sin dt, derivative of sin which is cos t dt, here j cap, here I cap. Then we require find the circulation, means f bar dr. Then substitute the values of x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t and z equal to 0 in this equation. Then f bar equal to cos t minus sin t I cap, y that is sin t j cap, z which is 0 cap. Now we find f bar into dr, then cos t minus sin t I cap plus sin t j cap into dr, that is minus sin t dt I cap plus cos t dt. Then dot product of this I dot I 1, j dot j 1. Then we get minus cos t into sin t, minus minus plus sin square t plus sin t into cos t and dt which is common. Then first and last term which is same as, then cancel out, then we get only sin square t dt. That is our f bar dr. We find flow or circulation. Then circulation equal to integral limit which is given, means t is varies from 0 to 2 pi. Then here limit which is 0 to 2 pi f bar dr. We have f bar dr, that is sin square t. Then we cannot go for integral of sin square t. Then first apply trigonometric formula. Then we get 1 minus cos 2t by 2, 1 by 2 constant. Then 1 minus cos 2t, integral of 1, that is t, integral of cos, that is sin 2t by 2, 0 to 2 pi, upper limit minus lower limit, then 2 pi sin 2 2 are 4, sin 4 pi 0 minus 0 minus 0 sin 0 0, then 1 by 2 into 2 pi 2 cancel, then pi, that is our circulation. Next counter example is f bar equal to x square plus y square I cap plus x square minus y square j cap plus z square k cap along the boundaries of the triangle. Vertices 1 1 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0. Find integral C f bar dr. Here closed curve, we use circle. F bar given, triangle vertices 1 1 0 0 1 0 and 0 0. Find f bar dr. In this example, first draw the region, draw the points here, x axis, y axis and z axis. Last one is 0 0 0, that is our origin. First one is 1 1 0. First value indicated by x, second value y and third value z. Then value x and y as a 1 and z value 0, that is place of xy plane, that is our xy plane, that is yz plane, that is zx plane. Then this point indicated by 1 1 0. Another point is 0 1 0, means y has a 1, then y axis has a x and z value 0, that is our 0 1 0. Connecting these lines by a straight line, then it becomes triangle. We select any direction, counterclockwise as well as clockwise, that is our C1 path, that is C2, that is C3. Clear? According to this figure, we find total 3 times integral C f bar dr. First we find for the C1, then for the C2, then for the C3. 3 times we find line integral, and then finally added these 3 terms. Then let us start with first number path. First, R, that is our position vector, xi plus yj plus zk, then dr, then dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Now we have f bar, then f bar equal to f bar, we find f bar into dr, then x square plus y square I cap plus x square minus y square j cap plus z square k into dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Then we get f bar into dr equal to x square plus y square dx plus x square minus y square dy plus z square dz. We required this equation in all the path to finding the line integral of the path C1, path C2 and path C3. Now first for path C1 path, that is a straight line between 1 1 0 2 0 1 0, then that value indicated by x1 y1 z1, here x2 y2 z2. Then according to the straight line equation, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1 equal to t, where t belongs to R. Substitute the values of x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 in this equation. Then x minus x1, that is 1, x2 that is 0 minus 1, y minus y1 that is 1, y2 that is 1, then 1 minus 1, z minus z1 that is 0, and z2 minus equal to t. Now here we get x minus 1 by minus 1 equal to y minus 1 upon 0 and z upon 0 equal to t. Compare this equation, that x minus 1 equal to minus t, then x equal to 1 minus t. Similarly, y equal to y minus 1 equal to 0, then y equal to 1, here z equal to 0. Then derivative of this term, then dx equal to minus dt, dy equal to 0, here dz equal to also 0. Now we find integral f bar dr. With this equation, we convert, here in this equation there are three variables, x, y and z. Then convert this equation into the single variable t. Then we replace this value in this equation. In this equation, then we replace x equal to 1 minus t, dx equal to minus dt, y equal to 1, dy equal to 0, z equal to 0, dz equal to 0. These values substitute in this equation. Then we get f bar into dr equal to x means 1 minus t whole square, y means 1, then y square equal to 1, dx equal to minus dt, here dy equal to 0, 0 into anything 0, dz equal to 0, then 0 into anything 0. Then expand this term, here minus common, 1 minus 2t plus t square plus 1 into dt, then minus 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2t plus t square dt. According to this diagram, now we find the limit of t, then t which is varies from 0 to 1, then how we identify t which is varies from 0 to 1? Then substitute the values of x, y and z. This point x equal to 1 in this equation, then 1 minus 1 0, then we get t equal to 0, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1, then 1 minus 1 0, then we get t equal to 0 value. Similarly this point 0 1 0, this substitutes in this equation, then x equal to 0, then t equal to 1 here in this equation and in this equation, then we get t which is varies from 0 to 1. Now integral c1 f bar dr, that is our path 1, line integral of the path 1. That integral c1 range is 0 to 1, we get minus 2 minus 2t plus t square dt. Then integral which is 2t minus 2t square by 2 plus t cube by 3, 0 to 1, upper limit minus lower limit, then minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 0, then 2 minus 1, that is 1, then 1 plus 1 by 3, then 3 plus 1, then we get minus 4 by 3, that is integral C1 f bar dr. That is our minus 4 by 3. Similarly, we find for path C2. Then similarly for the path C2, then C2 is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then substitute, that is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Substitute this value in this equation. Then x minus x1 0, x2 minus x1. Then x2 which is 0, then 0 minus 0. Similarly y minus y1, y1 which is 1, y2 which is 0 minus 1, z minus z1 0, z2 minus z1 0. Then we get x by 0, y minus 1 by minus 1, and z by 0 equal to t. Then compare this equation. Then x equal to 0. This t goes that side. Then y equal to 1 minus t and z equal to 0. Then dx equal to 0, dy equal to minus dt, and dz equal to 0. Now substitute this all the values in this equation and we get f bar into dr. Then f bar into dr equal to x square, that is 0, y square, that is 1 minus t square, dx which is 0, then 0 into anything, 0, first term which is 0. Similarly, dy has a minus dt, then x square equal to 0, then minus y square, 1 minus t whole square, dy equal to again minus dt, dz equal to 0, then minus minus plus, then 1 minus 2t plus t square dt. That is our f bar dr. Here, t which is also varies from. Then substitute this value 0, 1, 0 in this equation. X equal to 0 in this equation. Y equal to 1, then 1 minus 1 t, then t which is varies from 0 to 1. Now 0, 0, 0 put in this equation. Then y equal to 0, then t equal to 1. Then integral c f bar dr equal to 0 to 1 f bar dr 1 minus 2t plus t square dt. Then integral of this term, then t minus 2t square by 2 plus t cube by 3, 0 to 1, upper limit minus lower limit, then 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 0, 1 cancel, then we get 1 by 3. That is our path C2. That answer is 1 by 3. Similarly, you can find for the path C3. Clear? Then path C3, we get the answer which is 2 by 3. Similarly, you can find for the part C3, same procedure, and we get answer according to the integral C3 f bar dr, that is 2 by 3. Then total integral, close integral C f bar dr equal to integral C1 f bar dr plus integral C2 f bar dr plus integral C3 f bar dr. This we can also call work done. Then first answer we can get minus 4 by 3. Second answer, that is 1 by 3. And third answer, that is 2 by 3. Taking LCM, then we get minus 4 plus 1 plus 2 by 3. Then to final answer, integral C f bar dr, that is minus 1 by 3. Clear? Next example. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, then feel free contact me. Thank you so much for listening this video.